So we have a Jeep Cherokee. I'm going to show you guys where the star connector is. This is a 22 Jeep Cherokee. So this is called the star connector. I'm going to turn on my light for us right here. So it's going to be located up under here. It's going to be right back here. So you can pull this carpet down. And then you see that green bus bar? That's what we're going to plug into. Now, you can pull the green bus bar down, but I find the easiest way is just to lay on your back, look up, and plug in. That's where the star connector is located. Now, if you're needing to find the 12+8 connector, that's actually located behind the radio on Cherokees. So this car would not be a car I'd use the 12+8 connection. I'd recommend using the star connector or using dealer software and going through the OBD. Hope this helps.